Hello friends, so welcome a new video. This video is based on a new topic called influx of refugee. So this whole video is based on refugee. So आपने ये वर्ड कभी ना कभी सुनी होगी या फिर आप ये न्यूली सुन रहे होंगे. So basically this is a refugee. So what do you mean by the term refugee? Refugee, generally speaking, like it's a displaced person. एक person जो अपने home place में है मीन्स वो displaced हो गया है. Displaced in the sense like उनका एक particular place था, they are displaced from that particular place and who has been forced or who has been forced to leave the national boundaries. So basically those persons who are displaced from their homes or those who are forced to leave the national boundaries because they can't live out there. For example, if there is a terrible war going on between countries, so जो people है, जो citizens है, they are forced to go out from that country because if they don't, they may lose their lives. So in the sense like that, अगर आप देखें कि refugee का मतलब है those person who are forced in the sense are not physical, I'm not telling, but there is a force like what war is going, especially at wars, or some people who are like not their religious things, for some kind of reasons are there for every refugee, like some are for their like religion or something like that, or some are from the gender, or some of them are for war. So there are different type of refugees. So and ये ऐसे रिफ्यूजी हैं जो अपने होम जा तो सकते हैं but they will be not safe out there. Means अगर वो जाएंगे either they will be in a very terrible manner to live or they will be either dead. So उस situation में we call a person as a refugee, generally speaking. So that's what a refugee is told about. Or in a simpler words, a person who has been forced to leave their country or any other place in order to escape from war, prescription or natural disaster. Even though a natural disaster is a terrible earthquake or tsunami, उस सिचुएशन में दे हैव टू लीव दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस बिकॉज दे कांट लिव आउट देयर. अगर एक अर्थक्वेक आया सपोज लाइक अबव अ पर्टिकुलर रेंज, एक बहुत ही टेरेबल रेंज के ऊपर आ गया, दैट प्लेस विल बी हॉरिबली मेस्ड अप. सो उसको अगर आपको डिज़ास्टर से बचने के लिए वी हैव टू लीव दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. अदरवाइज क्या होगा ना, हम वी कांट लिव आउट देयर. दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस इज होली डैमेज्ड, इट नीड्स टाइम टू रिकवर, और अगर भी रिकवर ना, और इट विल बी इन अ स्टेट इट विल नेवर रिकवर. सो उस सिचुएशन में भी वो एक जो पर्सन वहाँ पर लिव आउट कर रहे हैं, so they have to go to other places to live for some time or forever. So that's what a refugee is called about. So let's go, what are the problems related to that? Means if a refugee has to go anywhere in the sense of any country or any other place, उनको क्या क्या problems face होती हैं. So let's go to the next page. Problems which refugee face in a country or any other particular place. Country is a specific area, I'm telling. So basically what happens is you can see a large number of people comes. Some people like go on the boundaries also facing the law. So that's also a very terrible manner to go on. So what are the problems? Finding affordable houses. Of course, a person who can live out his country, he may be that much rich also in that particular country, but after all he have to go to another country in the short, if that you have to find some affordable houses or any house. You can see घर ढूंढना आपको बहुत ही भारी पड़ सकता है, especially for those poor people who cannot afford heavy houses for just a period of time or forever. नेक्स्ट, फाइंडिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि एम्प्लॉयमेंट आपको ऑलमोस्ट बहुत ही हैवीली मिलेगी, या फिर एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज़ नॉट लाइक यू हैव टू डू जॉब. एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन द सेंस कोई भी ऐसा काम ढूंढने के लिए आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, बहुत जगह ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, और यू मे बी लकी, दैट पर्सन मे बी लकी इनफ टू गेट इट इन वन शॉट. दैट डिपेंड ऑन इट्स लक. नेक्स्ट, like communicative attitudes. So basically communicative attitudes in the sense, like suppose you are a particular person who are coming from a region where the community where the people doesn't like that particular region where you're living. So that attitudes may come from that community people, that why you're living out here or any sort of a thing, they will not like that friendly to you as they live out with the others. Language communication barriers, of course, language or communication barriers may come. Suppose you are suppose that person is a particular region, comes from a particular region. Suppose he takes English, but he comes a place in which people are speaking in any other language. So you can get out any language. If possible, I will say, suppose Hindi. So that particular person will always have little bit communication and language problems. So in the sense, it will create a barrier against them. Next, impact on education. So those people who are taking the children's on their half also, like they have to take their children also, they have to migrate with them. So they means that child must be learning in some or the other schools, college or any of the institution. So that person's child may be in a broke of that particular time period, and education में means like harm हो सकता है. Next we can say financial difficulties are the most major problem we always see. Financial difficulties होगी because employment नहीं है and they have to go for another country or a place they will live. So transportation होगा, even transportation problems भी होती है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, कैसे ट्रांसपोर्ट होंगी एंड ऊपर से चल के आएंगे, कोई गाड़ी में आएंगे, ऐसे होते होते फाइनेंशियली बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, डिफ़िकल्टीज होती है इन द मोस्ट केसेस उस प्लेसेस में जिसमें आपका कोई रिलेटिव रहता ही नहीं है. सपोज यू आर लिविंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, सपोज यू आर लिविंग इन अमेरिका. सो अमेरिका में आपके बहुत सारे रिलेटिव्स हैं, बट यू हैव टू बाय एनी कॉज you are a refugee now and you are coming to some other place and that place doesn't have any relatives. So उस टाइम में आपको खुद एम्प्लॉयमेंट ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, सारा काम खुद करना पड़ेगा. सो इन द सेंस आपको बहुत कुछ अपने से करना पड़ेगा जिसमें टाइम लगेगा एंड उस दौरान में जो भी आप चीज़ें करोगी उसमें फाइनेंशियली डिफ़िकल्टीज होगी. So that's what I think is about a refugee. Now let's go to the important terms about this whole video. So this video doesn't end over here, but it has more interesting facts also. So let's start with the facts. Important terms. So basically what does a refugee has? So there are many people who go from one place to other place, like they are a refugee. So to define them, there are many refugees. So there are types of actual refugees. Some are religious and political applications like that, like religious or politically they are not that comfortable in that particular, they have to go to other places. Escaping from war is a major thing. If there is a war in the particular place, they can't live out there. That's a very thing. I'm not telling a war is coming in one end of the country and you are living in another end of the country that you will go become a refugee. But the thing is that war is affecting the whole country. There's a disaster for this whole country. So you have to go to another place to keep your life safe. And of course, some places will have discrimination based on sexual or gender orientation. So that is the thing also. In that cases also you can be. So now let's have a difference between asylum seeker and refugee. Before that, I want to just tell you what is the asylum and asylum seeker or asylum. Important term asylum. So basically asylum का मतलब क्या होता है? The definition में asylum is a protection a place of rest or safety. Or a place where people go when their mental condition keeps them from being able to live on their own. So basically, asylum means protection, a place of rest or safety, or a place where people can go when their mental condition keeps them from being able to live on their own. Means if the particular example, if I give you, a hospital of a mentally ill is an example of an asylum, or a country that accepted a person from another country that was a danger is an that was in danger is an example of asylum to that person. Means if a country like accept that person from the another country that was in danger, so that is a asylum to that person. So this is what asylum is meant of. Now I want to give you a firm difference between migrants and refugee. So let's start with refugee. So as we know what the refugee means, refugee is a displaced person who has been forced to cross the national boundaries and who cannot return home safely. Okay, next let's go to migrants. What a migrant are actually. Migrant. So there's no formal legal definition of an international migrant. Like no, like not a legal definition, but like most experts agree that an international migrant is someone who changes, who changes his or her country for legal status or migration. So basically, a person who want to actually go to a particular place, suppose a person doesn't want to live in one country, so they want to live in another country, so he or she will migrate. Or a legal status, in the sense, if you have got a job in other foreign countries, so you have to go to that particular job and live over there because you're doing job over there. So that's what a migrant is got about. Generally, the destination is made between the short term or a temporary thing, covering movement with duration between 12 months to a long term or a permanent migration, referring to the change of a country residence for a duration of 1 year or more year. So basically, if a person is actually a temporary or a permanent migration, but it will not be called as refugee, because refugees are a person who are forced to leave their boundaries. They have no other choice. So migration are those person who have their choice. They can leave their job, either they don't, if they want to go to another country and live, their mindset can change also, so that they have choices actually. But these have no choice to live over here or there. They have to live their particular homes, and this migration is a temporary part. It can be permanent also, but it's type of duration from years to years. It can come from 12 months to changing a country's residence. So that's what I think is about migration and refugee. Now I want to tell you now the types of refugees or anything more important. So let's start from more quick facts. So here are some quick facts I want to tell you. So this is one more quick fact, that 5 refugee hosting countries. So there are some countries which host this 5 means refugees. So there are 5 of them I'm listing out, and the amount also I will tell. So about 2/3 of today's refugees, 67% something about, come from this top 5 things. Okay, so let's top 5 countries. So first we will go for the most Syria, which was hosting something about 5.6 million refugee. Number 2 is Afghanistan, which is hosting 2.7 million. Now number 3, which is South Sudan, which is hosting 2.3 million. Now number 4, which is Myanmar, which is hosting 1.1 million. Number 5 is Somalia, which is hosting something about 900,000 refugees. There are more, Sudan, which is hosting something about 72500 refugees. Now, Democratic Republic of Congo, something about 720,300 refugees. So these are some of the numbers of refugees which are hosted by these countries, but these are the 5 most, and 67% of refugees are coming from here. So it's amazing fact you should know. So this was the whole video about. Hope you understand the video well. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.